Hello guys again, yeah, a quick update again on the Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Yeah, the gear shifting, I managed to fit it back in the car. So yeah, there you are, as you can see. Yeah, that's the one, S-Class, owner manual. Yep. So now, moment of truth. Now let's see, like, yeah, what's happening here with shifting. Yep, everything is on. Put the gear on. Put the engine on. Yep. Yep. There you are. That's reverse, neutral, drive. Nice and smooth. So this one, I'm sure it can take me some few miles. Yep. So what we're gonna do, we just gonna give it a shot and see. Let's see. Everything works. Sorry. There you are. Relax. Yeah, guys, that looks good to me. This can, you know what I mean, this can take me out of the way, you know, until you take it to the mechanic and fix it properly. There you are, guys. Thank you for watching.